Namaste student. Today we are moving on to part 3 of a straight line. At the end of the session, you may able to evaluate the various form of the equation of the line. Yes, to find the equation of the line, we have totally 3 types. That is, the equation of the line can be find it out in 3 ways. Before going to that part, I will tell you what will be the equation of the line if it is parallel to x-axis and if it is a line parallel to y-axis. Yes, here I have given you the image to understand this concept better. Yes, I drawn a line parallel to x-axis. If a line is parallel to x-axis, then the equation of line is x is equal to a. It can be x is equal to a or x is equal to b, anything. That a can be any value, that is integer value. Same way, if a line is parallel to y-axis, and this image tells you that if a line is parallel to y-axis, the equation of the line is x is equal to b. Okay, fine. Now we are moving on to the 3 type. First one is point slope form. In the heading itself, it is clear that point slope form. That means they will give you one point and slope of the line. Once they given you the point and the slope of the line, you may use the equation, that is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Here m, we know it, m is a slope and x1, y1 are the point. Okay, this one is the type 1. And now we are moving on to a second part. That is, if they given 2 points, the heading itself, it is clear, right? If they given 2 points, that is a point A, you can take it as x1, y1, or point B, you can take it as x2, y2. What we have to do? First, we need to find the slope, because if we are going to find the equation of the line, we need the slope of that line and any one point on that line. So that I am going to use that point A and B to find the slope. After finding the slope, we can use the same equation which we used for a point slope form. That what I written here, y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. And next, third one is the slope intercept form. Yes, in this one, they will give you the slope, that is m, and they intercept. Intercept, here we are taking it as a c value. And then I have given you the equation y is equal to mx plus c. By comparing to the first two part, and this one will be very easy to find the equation of the line. Yes, you all have a confusion in that. What is intercept? Yeah, I will tell you what is intercept. Intercept form means, in the diagram itself it will be clear for you that it's a distance between our origin to the point where the line intersects the x-axis. That distance we call it as an x-intercept. Okay, and then I am mentioning you the b. B is a distance from the origin to the point on the y-axis where the line intersects the y-axis. This distance A and B, we call it as an intercept. Okay, is it clear for you? Yes. Now we are moving on to examples.
Example 1. Write the equation of x-axis. That means they are asking you to find the equation of this x-axis. X-axis is the line passing through the point 0 on the y-axis. Therefore, what will happen to the equation of this x-axis? The equation of the x-axis is equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0, because this is the line passing through the 0. And now, what will happen to the equation of y-axis? Same way, the equation of the y-axis This one is the y-axis and this is passing through the origin. So we can write it as x is equal to 0. Okay. Now example 2. Find the equation of the line parallel to the axis and passing through the point minus 3 comma 5. Minus 3 comma 5 means from what here? Here I am taking it as minus 3 comma 5. And a line passing parallel to the axis is given. That means two lines are going. One is passing like that and it is the line parallel to x-axis. So if a line parallel to x-axis means what will happen to the equation? It will become y is equal to, what is the coordinate of y here? Minus x comma 5 is the coordinate. In this y value is what? 5. So y is equal to 5 is the equation of this red color line. Okay. Now another line is passing through the point minus 3 comma 5 and it is parallel to y-axis. If any line parallel to y-axis means what will happen to the equation? Equation x is equal to some constant. That constant is nothing but a coordinate of x is here is minus 3. That is minus 3. Okay, fine. Now, example 3. Find the equation of the line passing through minus 4 comma 3 with slope 1 by 2. That means in this question they are given the point. That point I am taking it as a of minus 4 comma 3 and slope is 1 by 2. And we know the equation y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Now I am going to take this point as x1 y1. So now substitute it. What will happen? Y minus y1 is 3. So y minus 3 is equal to m is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of x minus x1. x1 is minus 4. So minus into minus will become plus. Okay. Now I am going to cross multiply this 2 to this side. What will happen? 2y minus 6 is equal to x plus 4. Finally, your equation is 2y is equal to x plus 10. This one is the equation of the line passing through minus 4 comma 3 with the slope 1 by 2. The line intersects the x-axis at a distance of 3 units to the left of the origin with slope minus 2. Here I mentioned the line, this red color line. This line intersects the x-axis at a distance of 3 units. Okay. So towards left is given. That what I mentioned it in this side. Okay. Fine. So what will be the point? The point where the line intersects the x-axis. What will happen? Yes, the point is minus 3 comma 0 because any point intersects the x-axis means y is equal to 0. So that point I am going to take it as a of minus 3 comma 0. And then they given the slope. Slope m is equal to minus 2. And now we got the point as well as the slope. I'm going to use the equation y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. And now I'm going to take this minus 3 comma 0 as x1 y1. So y minus 0 is equal to slope is minus 2. Minus 2 of x minus x1 is minus 3. So it will become plus 3. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2x minus 6. Therefore, the equation is 2x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, fine. Now, example 5. Write the equation of the line through the point 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 5. I am taking a point on the line. One is 1 comma minus 1 and another point is 3 comma 5. So in this question they are given 2 points. So first thing we need to find the slope. I am taking point 1 comma minus 1 as A. So A of 1 comma minus 1 and B of 3 comma 5. So what will happen to the slope? Slope formula is what? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now we can substitute the value over here. 5 minus of minus will become plus. 5 plus 1 by x2 is 3, 3 minus 1. Therefore 6 by 2. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. So m is equal to 3. We got the slope and we can take the point A as x1, y1 and then I'm going to use the equation y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus, I'm going to take this one as x1, y1. So it will become plus 1 is equal to m is 3. So 3 of x minus 1. Y plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 3. Now on further simplification we will get y plus 4 is equal to 3x. And this one is the equation of the line passing through the point 1 comma minus 1, 3 comma 5. Now, example 6. Find the equation of median. What is the word is given? Median. Median means is a line which is passing from the vertex to the opposite side. That is midpoint of the opposite side. So, I am taking this one as A, this one is B and this one is C and this point I am taking it as M and this CM is the median. We are going to find the equation of this CM that was given through the vertex C of the triangle ABC whose vertex are A of minus 1 comma 6. So the point A of minus 1 comma 6 and B is minus 3 comma minus 9 and C is 5 comma minus 8. So all the 3 points are given. We are going to find the equation of the CM. To find the equation of the CM, either we need the one slope, that is slope of the line, and any one point. So to find it, we know at a point, one point, that C point we can consider, and we don't know the slope. To find the slope, we need the point M. And I told you M is the midpoint of AB because median means is a line joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side which is opposite to the vertex. Okay, yes. First I'm going to find the midpoint of AB. So midpoint of AB. We know the midpoint formula, right? X2 plus x1 by 2. So which 2 points I want to take? A and B. So this one is x1, y1 and this one is x2, y2. I'm going to write it directly because you already saw more sum in this. So minus 3 and here minus 1 by 2, comma y2 minus 9 plus 6 by 2. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. So minus 3 by 2. And this is the point M. Okay. M of x comma y. We got the point this M as minus 2 comma minus 3 by 2. And we know the point C as 5 comma minus 8. Now we can go to type 2, that is we are having 2 points. So using this 2 point, first we have to find the slope. So slope of CM is equal to, what is the slope? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1, and this one I am going to take it as X2 Y2 and this one is X1 Y1. So I am going to write directly, that is minus 8, and here it will become plus 3 by 2 whole divided by 5, minus of minus will become plus 2. Yes, in the numerator you can take LCM and you simplify it, then you will get minus 13 by 2 by 7, and taking the 7 to the numerator you will get minus 13 by 14, and this one is the slope of the line CM. So what will be the equation? Y minus Y1 is equal to M of X minus X1, and I'm going to take X1 Y1 as this point C. So Y1 is minus 8, minus of minus will become plus 8 is equal to, slope is minus 13 by 14 and X minus 5. Now you can cross multiply this 14 to this side, you will get 14y plus 14 into 8, that is 112 is equal to, and multiply this minus 13 to this x minus 5, you will get minus 13x plus 13 into 5 is 65. On further simplification, you will get 14y plus 13x, and I am bringing this 65 to this side. It will become 47 is equal to 0, and this one is the equation of the median. Now, example 5. Write the equation of the line for which m is equal to 1 by 2 and y-intercept is minus 3 by 2. Here they given y-intercept and slope. For that we have to use the formula y is equal to mx plus c. In this, m is slope and c is y-intercept. We know that m is equal to 1 by 2 and y-intercept c is equal to minus 3 by 2. Directly you can substitute over here. So y is equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 3 by 2. And I am taking LCM and you will get y is equal to x minus 3 by 2. On cross multiplying you will get 2y is equal to x minus 3. Therefore, equation is 2y plus 3 is equal to x. And this is the equation of the line whose slope is 1 by 2 and intercept is minus 3 by 2. Example 8. Find the equation of the line which makes intercept 4 and 5 on the x-axis and y-axis respectively. Here they given the intercept 4 and 5 for the x-axis and y-axis. As I told you in the introduction itself, intercept means is the distance between origin to the point where it intercepts. Okay, so this distance is given it as 4 and this distance is given it as y. So this is 4 and this is 5. And what will happen to this point? This point has become 4 comma 0 and this point has become 0 comma 5 because this the point lies on the y-axis. So I am writing it as 0 comma 5 and the 2 points are, one is 4 comma 0, another point I am taking this B 0 comma 5. Now you got 2 points. So first we have to find the slope. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is y2? 5. 5 minus 0 by 0 minus 4. That is minus 5 by 4. Now y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Now y minus y1, you can take it, that is you can take a as x1 y1 or b as a x1 y1. Now I'm going to take this point a as x1 y1. So y1 has become 0 is equal to m of minus 5 by 4 of x minus 4. And now you cross multiply this 4 to this side. You will get 4y is equal to minus 5x plus 20. Therefore, the equation is 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. This one is the equation of the line. And last question is, find the equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the lines x plus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0, which has equally intercept on the axis. That is, we are going to find the equation of this equally intercept on the axis. This red color line, the equation of this red color line, this one. Okay, fine. For that, they are given the two equations. One is x plus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0. So let us consider this equation, this line equation as x plus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0. And this line equation as 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. We are going to find the equation of the line which is intercept on the axis, that is this line. And we know the standard equation of this intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And here equally intercept. That means the distance between origin to the point where the intercept with x-axis is a. We know this one. This a and this distance b are equal. That means a is equal to b. What will happen here? X by a plus y by, instead of b I can take it as a is equal to 1. On further simplification, you will get x plus y is equal to a. X plus y is equal to a. To find the equation of the equally intercept, we need a value. To find the a value, what we are going to do? We are going to use the elimination method to find the x and y with these two equations and substitute over here to find the value of a. For that, I am taking equation 1. Equation 1 at x plus 7y minus 3 is equal to 0. And this one is equation 1. And 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 is equation 2. I am going to eliminate this x. Here the x coordinate is 2 and here the x coefficient is 1. So I am going to multiply equation 1 with 2. So what will happen? 2x plus 14y minus 6 is equal to 0. And this equation 2 as it is. That is 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I am going to change the sign. And this 2x will get cancelled. And 14 plus 3 is 17y minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 7 by 17. Substitute y is equal to 7 by 17 in any one of the equations. I am going to substitute in equation 1. So what will happen? X plus 7 into y is 7 by 17 minus 3 is equal to 0. On further simplification, you will get x is equal to 2 by 17. Okay, now you got x value and y value. I'm going to substitute over here. We know that x plus y is equal to a. X is 2 by 17 and y is 7 by 17 is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to 9. Sorry, here 17. 9 by 17. I got the value of a is equal to 9 by 17. What will happen to the intercept? What will happen to the equation of that intercept? X plus y is equal to a. A is nothing but 9 by 17. And this one is the equation of equally intercept on the axis. Thank you.